maybe let me just cut it out here. Let me cut it out here. After you go back twice and cut it out. Before you cut it out, make sure you knot it and don't draw it too tight. Don't make it too tight. So make sure you knot it before you cut out the thread. Knot it twice and cut out the thread. So after sewing one part, you will sew like three. I will sew this place again with the same method I use here. I will go twice, the needle twice, and I will not allow it to show outside. So again, I will tack here and tack here like three to four places, so that the pleats will be able to stand together. And that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you the next thing. So I have tagged one, two, three. So I'm just tacking the fourth one, just the way I explained. Oh, sorry. Not supposed to come out outside there. But notwithstanding, I will make it too close to where I came out so that the thread will not be obvious. And this is what you will have after tacking. You see. So now place it on my turban and tack it to the turban. So I'm just going to place it on it this way. You see. And use my pin to tack it. I told you that the plate will be at one side, and if you want it to be full, you have to increase the measurement. So I will just place it by one side like this and use my office pin to force pin it down. Thereafter, I will use my needle and thread to sew it together. Can you see the plate? Look at how it's beautiful. So now that is what I will do. I'll place it very well. This one must not be too long at the back because it's not going to have an handle. So I'll first try to place it very well before I tagged. So I think this one is okay now. So I'll pin it down first and thereafter tack it. So I've used my pin to tack it now. I'm just going ahead to tack it with my needle and thread. I'll be tacking the last pleats under to the turban, and I will start from inside the turban. I'll make sure I tagged it very well. So remember, I'm taking the last pleat under the pleat, and you can go ahead to move it forward to bring it out here. But that is what I will be doing. I will be using the last pleat and I will tack it firm. Let me say, take the two last pleats, and tack it down to your turban. You tack and loose and cut it out. Thereafter, you go to this other side, tack and cut, tack and cut, and this side also. And that is what I will do. I'll show you the next thing. So you can take it off your dummy head and tack it very well on the ground, so on the table, so that you're able to know what you are doing. Since you have already pinned it down, so you can easily remove it from your dummy head. So make sure you tag very well. So I'm just coming outside and you tap like 3 to 4 times before you cut out your thread to move to another place. 2 to 3 to 4 times. I'm sorry if this video is too much, like the time. Just want